If you haven't got an opt-in page, then you haven't got a list, and no list means it's hard to make any money online. Hi, I'm Zaf, and in this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create an opt-in page using System.io. Now, before we get started, opt-in page is a means of collecting email addresses to build your email list, and it's the first step usually in any funnel. And when you do this, you want to keep it simple. And if you stick around till the end, I've got a free resource that I think you'll find really useful. Now let's get started. From our System.io dashboard, we need to go to sites at the top here and then go down to sales funnels. And what we need to do now is create a new funnel. So from the right hand side here, click on the option here with the blue button to create. Now what we want to do here, under the name option, we need to give our funnel a clear name, maybe something related to the actual lead magnet or free offer that we're giving away. I'm just going to call it lead magnet. And then under the funnel domain, select the domain. So here, if you've got some subdomains or domains added in, you can select it from there, or it may just default to the System.io one, which I'll just put here. Next, what we want to do is go to choose your funnel goal. So here, we want to select build an audience. And where it says current, so we can just leave this. So we're just collecting email addresses and not actually selling anything. It's not relevant to this. And click on the blue save button, and then you'll see your funnel here at the top here. It says lead magnet. So we need to click on that to go into that. And you see it automatically creates an opt-in page, a thank you download page, and then an inactive page here. And you can see at the top here it's selected on the opt-in page. So what we want to do here is, you can see we've got a list of templates. So if we scroll down and select it to 30, then this will show 30 opt-in templates here at once. What we want is something simple. So you don't want to overthink it, just select one and go with it. If you want to preview it, you can click this box here, and it will show you a preview of the template. So I'm going to select this one, and then what I want to do then is click on the right to where it says edit page and select that, so take us into the page editor. So what we want to do here is to make it clean. So the cleaner it is, the better it is. So we want to avoid any clutter. So probably the main things we want will be a headline, possibly a subheadline, and then your form, maybe a picture for your lead magnet here. So what I'm going to do now is hover over this and delete this section because I don't want that at the top here, and then start deleting these sections down here. Click OK on that. So what I'll do is fast forward this bit. Okay, so I've deleted all the elements I want out, and I'm just going to click on save. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is create a compelling headline, some benefits. So I'm just going to copy the headline already. I'll add it to this. Launch your digital product in System.io with a clear step-by-step checklist so nothing gets missed. I'll just remove the link from that. It's automatically a link that I need to remove that. See if that from that. Okay, that's got that. And I'm going to change that, give it a subheading. Now if I edit, paste that into there, set that on there, and then I want duplicate that, drag that down just below here. Now we've got the headline, subheadline, and a bit of text there. And then if I click on, next what I want to do is click on the email field, for the placeholder, it says placeholder, put enter your best that button and change the button text. I'll grab your free checklist today. So I'm going to do is stretch that over a bit and pull that over there to make the bottom wider. Okay, that looks better. And just make sure we save that. If you've got an image for your lead magnet, you can also the upload option there, drag and drop it onto there, click upload, or if you've got it uploaded already, you can just select it and insert it in. That's what I've just done here. Also, with your opt-in page, you want to make sure you have a privacy policy somewhere, at least. Click save and change that to privacy policy. Link it to my privacy policy, put the URL in there, https://www.pagebuilderacademy.com privacy policy. Open a new tab and confirm and save that and preview that, see what it looks like. So you've got privacy policy. I could do with moving down a bit further down. Yeah, okay, so I'm just going to move this privacy policy down. So what I'm going to do is move this down a bit. So I'll just click on this to open this up, and I'm just going to tap on this, take this down a bit, and then click save and preview, see what that looks like. You can see that looks a bit better there. So ideally you want your privacy policy, but also maybe an affiliate disclosure area as well, maybe a couple of links, and that's it. So yeah, a minimal sort of look to your page. So you just want a headline, subheadline, maybe a couple of bullets, your form for the email, to enter the email in. You can have also add the name in, but I tend to leave it just with the email. And obviously then your button you need to have as well with a compelling call to action on your button there, and maybe a graphic for you representing your free product. Now we've checked it, so what we need to do then, make sure we saved it and then exit our builder, and then we need to test it. So we can either go to view funnel step or click the link here to copy that to our clipboard, you see here, and then test it in incognito mode, which new incognito window, and then just paste the URL in there, and there, that's what it looks like, and then put our email address in to test it with, to make sure it redirects to our thank you page. You now have an opt-in page, which is your first step done for building your email list. Now, if you want to get started with System.io, I've put a free link below in the description. Watch my next video on how to create a thank you page in System.io. Now, as promised, I've got a free resource for you, my System.io starter kit. Inside, you'll get my 10-minute landing page blueprint and a ready-to-use landing page template that you can copy straight into your System.io account. You'll find the link right below this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.